Okay, till that I'll start with. First of all, it's very nice you thought of doing something related to Guru Purnima. So we all are thankful to you all, the students, who have thought of it and took hard pains to contribute your time for this occasion. Yes? Yes or no, Aruna?
Yes, ma'am.
And
Once only I told them that we have to celebrate this and we should celebrate this day is very important. So students only plan, they only arrange everything, even meeting code and everything sent by Siddhartha and team.
so
So
that's
very
why I say that we are proud of you all, Bacho, and you have taken your time you have spent your time for this occasion. So in advance, thanks a ton from the Radiant Way family side, and lots of blessings to every one of you. May you achieve what you want to get. Yes?
yes, ma'am. So ready everyone, please start the program.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, is my screen visible?
Yes. Everyone click on your video now. You can see face of Arpita ma'am and even I. Yes, ma'am.
Oh, wait, I will be joining.
Archie, you can start.
गीली मिट्टी अन गई हमको गुरुवर जान ज्ञान प्रकाशित कीजिए आप समर्थ बलवान अर्थात हम सभी शिष्य गीली मिट्टी के समान हैं। हम सब में हुनर है परंतु ज्ञान का प्रकाश देने में केवल आप समर्थ हैं। कृपया हमारे गीले कोने में ज्ञान का प्रकाश डालें। Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the special event organized by Class 10A and B students in order to thank our guides on life's path. We have organized some we have organized some interesting events in order to interact and have some fun with our respected teachers on the auspicious occasion of Guru Purnima. गुरु गोबिंद दुओ खड़े काके लागू पाए बलिहारी गुरु आपने गोबिंद दियो बताए. If I have God and Guru both in front of me, I would go to my Guru first because he is the one who showed me the path to God. इसी दोहे के साथ सभी गुरुओं को मेरा प्रणाम. Now that we have both to our gurus, let us take a step towards God and pray for a fresh morning. Now, I would request Akshat to come forward and start with the prayers.
Here we will start with prayers. So everyone please join your hands and close your eyes. So here we start. Om Bhurbhuvasvah Tasya Viturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat Om Bhurbhuvasvah Tasya Viturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य
धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्.
So, as we all know, Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwara, Gurur Sakshat Parabrahma, तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः. इसी श्लोक के साथ हम गौरव की पोयम के साथ आगे बढ़ते हैं.
एक मिनट, गौरव. So we would also like to pray to our dearest and reverted Syrian ma'am who has created us, who has got us acquainted to a wonderful family known as the Radiant Way School. We are blessed to grow under her guidance. You are with us students every time, every step of our life, guiding us to follow our passion and succeed in our life. We pray to you and wish to seek your blessings. Now, I would also like to give you all a reminder that before continuing the event, you should go and wish your parents a very happy Guru Purnima, as they are our most prior teachers, if you haven't till now. They are the builders of our future and an ocean full of knowledge. Remember that our parents are our teacher as well.
They are the first teachers.
Yes, ma'am. Gaurav, please continue.
They teach us subjects like physics, chemistry, and maths. But more importantly, they teach us to follow God's path. Teachers are the ray of light, passing through the prism of light, and lighting the whole room and preparing for the students to nicely grow. The gurus show us the path to success and help us in doing our progress. They are our future creators and our knowledge innovators. सब धरती कागज करो, देखनी सब बन रहा है, सात संबंध की मसी करो, गुरु गुण लिखा न जाए.
Last two lines, Gaurav, can you explain that?
Yes, ma'am.
Last two lines, what you said, again, can you repeat it?
Okay, ma'am. सब धरती कागज करो, लेखनी सब बन रहा है, सात संबंध की मसी करो, गुरु गुण लिखा न जाए.
And what does it mean? You can explain
Not
it.
me. I can explain, but it's not the part of the event.
Nothing happens, but at least whatever you have said, we should get what it is. Na? जब धरती कागज बनी मतलब कागज something related to it. Please explain ना.
मैम इधर कभी यह कह रहे हैं कि अगर धरती के जितने पेड़ हैं उनको काट कर एक क्या कागज बना दिया जाए और जितना भी पूरा समुद्र है इस धरती में इसको हम एक फाउंटेन पेन की इंक
Okay.
में कन्वर्ट करते हैं. फाउंटेन पेन की इंक को कन्वर्ट कर लें और हम अपने गुरु के बारे में लिखना चालू करें, उनकी विशेषताओं के बारे में. तो जो फाउंटेन पेन की इंक है और कागज है धरती जो बनी है वो कम पड़ जाएगी अपने गुरु के बारे में लिखने के लिए. तो इसका मतलब यही होता है गुरु के जो गुण है बहुत सारे होते हैं.
Such a nice dua you have said. है ना? That's why I wanted to go for the meaning of it. Thank you so much for giving the meaning.
Thank you, Gaurav.
Yes, ma'am.
Teachers are the one who teaches us to us. But just to know how much they know about the other stuff rather than their subject, Siddharth has come up with the quiz. कौन है सबसे smart? So let's go ahead with it.
Yes, ma'am.
The moment you will start with quiz, दिमाग खत्म हो जाएगा हमारा.
जैसा कि मेरे दोस्त अक्षत ने अभी कहा, अब बारी है एक क्विज की. तो मैं अमिताभ बच्चन तो नहीं हूँ, ना ही उनके जैसा अच्छा खिला पाऊंगा, पर ये कोशिश जरूर रहेगी कि आप सभी का मनोरंजन कर सकूं और कहीं पे थोड़ा सा ज्ञान बढ़ा सकूं. तो गुरुजनों और मित्रों, स्वागत है आपका इस खेल में जिसका नाम है कौन है सबसे बुद्धिमान. तो पहला प्रश्न आपके मोबाइल या कंप्यूटर स्क्रीन पर.
यार इसके लिए चश्मा लगेगा.
With concern to which fundamental particle, a recent experiment in Fermi Lab was conducted on April 7, 2021.
Wait for me. I'll require a specs. Wait for me.
Yes, ma'am.
Anyone can give answer, yes?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, anyone is free to give answer.
Time limit is there or not?
मैम टाइम लिमिट नहीं रखा है.
Ma'am, may I tell?
Yes, Gaurav.
नहीं मैम, मैम गौरव कैन नॉट टेल.
Oh, Gaurav knows the answer. That's why. Okay.
Yes ma'am. Ma'am, he knows the answers of some questions.
May I
Oh.
answer?
Azita ma'am is giving answer.
Um, is there any 50-50?
Mon, is it
No.
I think I'm confused between A and B.
MU and Mon? I think MU लिखा
And A is the answer. A.
Yes ma'am. Ma'am, muon is the correct answer.
Thank you.
Ma'am, on April 7, 2021, the experiment took place in which a muon was accelerated along a magnetic moment, which showed a radial shift, which proved the standard model wrong, ma'am, which further predicts that the entire model of physics, which was framed from 1920, is to be wrong. So, let us go to the next question. Which film directors has won the most Academy Awards in the history of Oscars?
भाई फिल्म तो नहीं मालूम है लेकिन I can just have a तुक्का. Is it
Can
James
also
Cameron?
C. Yes. C or
Yes.
B? C or B?
I don't have idea for this.
I want this guess.
I don't
Yes.
have idea.
C.
Ma'am, any student can also try to answer.
You students are-
Ma'am, B.
Yes.
John Ford.
I'm option B.
I also said C.
So B is the correct answer for this question. John Ford has won the most Academy Awards for the Best Director in the history of Oscars. So let us move on to the next question. Which was the first plant to go to outer space?
First plant. Hmm.
I guess it's D. I don't know.
I think it's A.
A. Okay. Student Anvesha has given answer. Siddharth. Anyone?
Ma'am, shall I lock it?
No. Wait. Don't lock.
Is it Solanum tubersum? I don't know. Wait, I'm thinking of it. Scientific name is been given, na?
Don't know. Anyone? Siddharth asked.
I think for D. I don't know how far I'm sure.
I also said.
Ma'am,
I'm correct? I'm not sure actually.
Ma'am, the correct answer is A, ma'am. Arabidopsis, ma'am, which is the hybrid plant of cabbage and mustard. Allium cepa is the scientific name for onion. Ma'am, the C1 is tomato and D is for potato.
I'm more.
तो मेरे को ये ध्यान था कि पोटैटो दिस ट्यूबरसम वन सोलानम कहीं से ध्यान था पर पोटैटो इज रिलेटेड टू हाइड्रोफोबिया क्या द वाटर वन ना
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ there I got it.
So the next question, ma'am, it is a song. You have to recognize the singer of this song. Ma'am, is the music audible?
Yes, audible.
जिंदगी कैसी है पहेली हाय कभी तो हंसाए
Is it A? Is it A? A.
Ma'am,
Manade?
just a second.
Yes.
Let me see.
No one can forget it.
Yes, ma'am. What was your answer?
A.
Manna.
My answer is A. Manade.
Is also A. No. Manna.
Manade. Sure. It is
Yes,
Manade.
ma'am. It is the correct answer. Ma'am, the song is from the movie Anand, which
Movie
was
Anand.
released in yes, ma'am. Ma'am, in
Yes. And
1971.
picturized on Rajesh Khanna.
Yes, ma'am.
In
Ma'am, in the video,
1971.
Amitabh Bachchan and Rajesh Khanna.
Actually.
Which is the largest aquatic creature to ever exist on Earth?
भैया हमें तो ब्लू व्हेल ही पता है अर्पिता मैम
Blue whale.
ब्लू व्हेल्स
I will go for A.
आई go for C.
See, my answer is also three.
Mine is A.
A.
Don't go about
A. And because it is asking for ever existed.
Okay, ever exist.
the blue whale is
Yes, A.
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 Mine is C.
I don't know.
Man, C.
I don't know. यार इसमें 50-50 का ऑप्शन रखो. एक्सपर्ट का है अर्पिता मैम
या
को एक्सपर्ट बना दो.
expect help ले लेते हैं. मेरा C answer. I don't know about that giant octopus, shark and jellyfish.
Man, these are prehistoric animals.
Okay, because I never listen about this B and D. I know there is a fish. There was a fish like shark and whale. Octopus, jellyfish. These I know, but the other prefixes and suffixes I'm not. Very difficult for me.
मेरे ख्याल से जायंट फिश होगा या तो इन सारो अभी एग्जिस्टिंग है बिल्कुल I'm thinking give me two
Are you
minutes time.
sure? Are you sure? लॉक कर दे इसको.
क्या
Are you sure? लॉक कर दे इसको.
अब लॉक भी करोगे तो तुक्का है. I'm confused between first one.
A and C. D, ma'am. Okay.
लायंस पेन जेलीफिश पता नहीं मैंने कहाँ पढ़ा है लेकिन ब्लू व्हेल एग्जिस्टिंग अभी है. और कहाँ गया यार वो स्क्रीन ही गायब हो गया तुम्हारा. सिद्धार्थ स्क्रीन कहाँ गया?
Ma'am, it is like lions, main jellyfish, I think. Ma'am, because megalodon sharks still exist, I believe.
हाँ मेरे को लायन मैन का ही पता नहीं. पता कहाँ गई तुम्हारी स्क्रीन ही नहीं दिख रही मेरे को तो. सिद्धार्थ
मैम आप पिन कर लो ना स्क्रीन पे.
तुम्हारे उसमें ओके भाई. मेरे हिसाब से वही था बेटा. मेरे को नहीं मालूम जहाँ मतलब. अरे यार कहाँ
मैम
करना है
should I-
पिन बोले तुम्हारे उसमें. इधर
मैम
करना है
मेरी
पिन.
प्रेजेंटेशन वाले टैब पे मैम.
ओके.
अर्पिता मैम देखो एग्जिट का सवाल है. सही सही बताओ हार जाओगे.
अरे कोई इज्जत वाली बात नहीं बहन.
Ma'am, it is either B or either D.
मैंने कल ही पढ़ा था लायंस मैन जेलीफिश का. कि वो बहुत बड़ा एग्जिस्टिंग है, ये मैंने कहीं पढ़ा था। लेकिन अगर एग्जिस्टिंग की बात करोगे तो मेलाडोन ब्लू व्हेल तो डेफिनेटली अभी एग्जिस्ट करता है। अब 1 और D में कोई भी एक मारो भाई, डी मारो, मेरे को लगता है डी हो सकता है, 1 भी हो सकता है, 50-50
Ma'am,
कर
D
दो
is
रे।
the correct answer. Ma'am, lion,
हाँ
plain jellyfish is a current existing aquatic
ये मैंने
creature
कहीं
which is
पढ़ा था।
actually larger than
Lions in jellyfish.
'सिद्धार्थ,
11.6
दिस आई
meters.
स्टडीज कहीं मैंने पढ़ा था, ये मेरे बैक ऑफ द माइंड
Yes,
में था,
ma'am.
इसलिए मैं दे रही थी। ओके, थैंक यू, दैट मीन्स कुछ तो आता है। चलो।
So next question is how many bones are there in a giraffe's neck, which is a lot very long.
7 या 9 के बीच
How many?
81 जा, जिराफ नेक भी पढ़ा था मैंने यार। 7।
7.
9.
So lock it. Lock it.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
7.
Now it is the correct answer. So moving on to the next question. Ma'am, which was the last country to join the United Nations?
साउथ
It is D. D.
साउथ
D.
सुडान
D.
लास्ट में आया था।
D. D.
Yes, ma'am.
साउथ सुडान।
Ma'am, which family in the world is awarded with the most Nobel Prizes?
क्यूरी फैमिली है क्या?
Curie family.
family.
Is it A?
वेट, मेरे ख्याल से मैरी क्यूरी, पेरी क्यूरी 2 इधर थे, आइंस्टाइन फैमिली से एक आइंस्टाइन, थॉमसन फैमिली,
Thompson.
क्यूरी फैमिली है मेरे हिसाब से तो।
A. A. I think 4 prize गए थे क्या उनको?
क्यूरी फैमिली को मैं लॉक करूंगी, पता नहीं, रुको मेरे को सोचने दो। बोर का नील है, बोर एटॉमिक थ्योरी, थॉमसन है, क्यूरी फैमिली दिमाग में आ रहा है, रुको, टाइम लिमिट तो है, सोचने दो। क्यूरी फैमिली ही है मेरे हिसाब से। आइंस्टाइन में एक ये थॉमसन फैमिली कैसे, क्यूरी फैमिली मेरे हिसाब से भाई, रुको सोचने दो। वेट, आई विल गिव यू फाइनल। नहीं होना हो चाहिए मेरे हिसाब से तो भाई, पता नहीं। क्यूरी फैमिली के कुछ 4 उस, हाँ वही तो, पेरी क्यूरी।
मुझे ये लग रहा है मैम क्यूरी को 2 गए थे, एक उनके हस्बैंड को, एक डॉटर को, शायद कुछ ऐसा है। 4 आई नो।
क्यूरी फैमिली का ही है कि
क्यूरी फैमिली। हाँ।
मैरी क्यूरी, पेरी क्यूरी, 2 रेडियम
हाँ,
और वो,
हाँ।
पता नहीं भाई, मैं हमारे हिसाब से है, बाकी तो
A है A।
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, so A is the correct answer, ma'am. Curie
Wow.
family has got 4 Nobel Prizes in
Nobel
total.
Prizes,
Also,
yes.
Thomson family is with 2 Nobel Prizes, ma'am, which is very ironical. Where J.J. Thomson predicted that matter travels as waves, and he got the Nobel Prize in physics, and his son predicted that matter also travels as particles and got the Nobel Prize, which is very ironical.
एंड ये जो था ना, बोर में नील बोर एटॉमिक थ्योरी है, आइंस्टाइन का तो सबको पता ही
आइंस्टाइन का तो सबको पता
है। ओके, नेक्स्ट क्या है?
Jeff Bezos. B.
क्वेश्चन तो पीछे है, क्वेश्चन है,
B.
हु इज द बिगेस्ट टू मेक द मोस्ट रिसेंट, अभी तो गया क्या?
B.
Jeff
Bezos.
जेफ बेजोस।
Yes, ma'am, it is Jeff Bezos. So, ma'am, next question is a riddle, which is George, Helen, and Steve are drinking coffee. Bert, Karen, and Dave are drinking Pepsi. So, following this pattern, which drink is Elizabeth having?
क्या? जॉर्ज, हेलन एंड स्टीव आर ड्रिंकिंग कॉफी। द पैटर्न। Are drinking Pepsi, है ना? एक सेकंड रुकना बेटा है। तो अब आ गया इस है एक मिनट रुकना, मेरे को सॉल्व करना था। एक तो लैपटॉप यूज करना था मेरे को, इसमें दिख भी नहीं रहा ढंग से। KODR थिंकिंग, ये पैटर्न है ये। वेट वेट इलिजाबेथ की, ये कॉपी हो गया है। वेट वेट वेट, है ना? कोई आंसर मत देना भाई, अभी बाद में बताना। Darren and Q, ना? Kate and Darren.
Ma'am, if you permit, ma'am, can we go to the next question while you think about it?
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
No.
So, ma'am, nail polish remover is something that girls just don't go without with. Which of the following is an active ingredient used in a nail polish remover?
Acetone.
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 Number 1.
Yes.
A.
And acetone is the correct answer. So, next question is, which actor has the record of portraying a single character most times in the film history?
टोनी शार्क है, मार्वल की फिल्म। स्टैनली में मार्वल। वेट फिर है लियोनार्डो स्पॉक इन स्टार ट्रेक। में
Excuse
तो
me. Ma'am,
yes?
just a second. Ma'am, Bhavna ma'am has recently joined us. Ma'am, we would like to thank her for her appearance in our event and enlighten us with her knowledge. Thank you, ma'am, for joining our event, and a very happy Guru Purnima on behalf of entire class 10th ANB.
Happy Guru Purnima to all of you. Thank you, Siddharth, for welcoming me. And the thing is, in this, I can only be as just visiting person and member. So what's going on? I can see on screen some quiz like Kaun
Yes,
Banega
ma'am.
Crorepati with 4 options. So are you conducting quiz for teachers?
Ma'am, not for teachers. Ma'am, it is a composite quiz. Ma'am, students can also participate.
Okay. Please continue. Let me see how it goes on.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it Stanley from Stanley in Marvel who recently died? मेरे हिसाब से, if you ask me, अभी Stanley, Robert Downey, Stanley, according to me.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it is actually the correct answer. Ma'am, Stanley has made cameo. Ma'am, he has made his cameo in more than 60 films since he started acting. 60 separate films. And ma'am, Robert Downey Jr. is actually the one to portray the characters most times. Ma'am, he also got an Guinness Book of World Record for that. He started playing Iron Man in 2008 to 2019.
अभी in the coming Marvel again he will be there, but Stanley he expired, ना?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, he died in 2019.
Yes.
So, ma'am, the next question is again a music-based question. So, the question is, you have to identify the actor who has acted in this song.
अरे बाप रे.
Ma'am, just a second. I think the system got some problem. So, ma'am, this is the song.
Sunil Dutt. It is Sunil Dutt. नहीं, Amitabh Bachchan. Amitabh Bachchan. It is A. Amitabh Bachchan.
Rajesh Khanna.
नहीं, song is मीत ना मिला मन का अभिमान फिल्म अमिताभ बच्चन.
अमिताभ
Am I
बच्चन.
correct?
Correct, correct.
Am I correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, continue. Abhinav Bachchan.
It is Amitabh Bachchan.
Yes, ma'am.
Archana?
Yes, ma'am.
Meet Na Mila. This is that song.
Movie Abhiman.
Yes,
I
ma'am.
got
From
it.
the movie Abhiman.
If you see, he was wearing in this block wala jacket.
Yes, ma'am. I'm red and black.
Yes. Yes. Okay.
So, ma'am, next question is which ancient civilization is credited for the discovery of trigonometry? Ma'am, the mathematical branch of trigonometry.
Greek trigonometry. Branch of trigonometry. Yeah, Greek trigonometry. No. Pythagoras.
Ma'am, Anand sir is also here. Ma'am, he should surely answer this.
Good morning, sir. Mathematics with history.
Pythagoras.
Actually, Vedic math. Just a minute.
It's a Mesopotamian civilization.
No, but it is related to trigonometry.
I think so.
हमें सुना नहीं क्या बोल रहा है कुछ मैं सुना मैं दिखाई नहीं रहा सवाल क्या है मुझे दूसरा
Question, sir. Which ancient civilization is yes? Siddharth, sir is asking
Yes.
question.
Yes, sir. Sir, the question is which ancient civilization is credited for the discovery of trigonometry? And your options are the Vedic civilization, the Greek civilization, Egyptian civilization, or the Mesopotamian civilization.
नहीं मैं कभी सोचा नहीं इसके बारे में आप गेस कीजिए मुझे नहीं पता सीरियसली मुझे मैथ्स आता हिस्ट्री मुझे हिस्ट्री नहीं आता
पाइथागोरस ग्रीस से था तो मेरे हिसाब से ग्रीस होना चाहिए आई डोंट नो
ग्रीक नहीं मुझे
नहीं लेकिन इजिप्शियन ट्रिग्नोमेट्री किसने दिया था हाँ पाइथागोरस ही तो मेरे हिसाब से ग्रीक है भाई मेरे को नहीं मालूम
Ma'am, may I tell the answer? Ma'am, the answer is Egyptian civilization. Ma'am, it also had a very big hint of the pyramids, which were triangles in.
Oh yes, triangle.
Yes, ma'am. And ma'am, also they discovered trigonometry, or they invented trigonometry at about 500 BC, ma'am, which was a very long time before.
Okay.
Yes, very good.
Okay. I've heard anywhere ये Greek civilization के पहले था. I think it was.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes.
And the Greeks are credited for many
1000.
discoveries.
Yes. I read somewhere.
I got confused with this Pythagoras and all क्योंकि Pythagoras was from Greece.
And those hanging garden of Babylons and all were they discovered in this pattern only.
Ma'am, Mesopotamia.
Yes, that was for me.
Ma'am, so next question is who was the first person to determine the existence of antimatter, which is a kind of matter created after the existence of the universe? Your options are Werner Heisenberg, Paul Dirac, Richard Feynman, or Robert J. Oppenheimer.
अब इसमें से किसका नाम सुना हुआ है wait?
Ma'am, this is the last question. After this, we'll move on to our next event, for which we have just a little time.
To determine the existence of
I
antimatter.
think it's B.
Paul Dirac. Antimatter. Antimatter. Is it? Antimatter was something related to that ordinary matter, na? Wait. Subatomic particle वाला कुछ था मेरे को.
I will go for C.
Wait ना मेरे को कहीं याद है कि subatomic particle वाला कुछ था. It was related to something related to it. है ना, बिग बैंग, आफ्टर बिग बैंग थ्योरी दिस वाज बीन गिवन, ऐसा कुछ ध्यान है पर आई एम नॉट गेटिंग वेट. एक तुक्का मारते ना, क्या प्रॉब्लम है, आई गो फॉर तुक्का. आगे
मैम व्हाट इज
बार बार मेरे ये लैपटॉप पे धोना सच्ची से.
मैम व्हाट इज योर आंसर?
इन गो फॉर तुक्का. चलो बच्चों, आओ तुक्का. मेरे को ये ध्यान है कि इट इज आफ्टर बिग बैंग, इट इज दिस रिलेटेड टू इट. इज इट पॉल डिरेक और वेरेन हेल्जबैग?
Paul Dirac. I think it's Paul Dirac.
हाँ, मेरे को भी ऐसी कुछ याद है कि पढ़ा है जो रिचर्ड फाइनमैन, तो उससे रिलेटेड नहीं. कोई भी एक ले लो ना भाई. चलो, बी पॉल डिरेक, लेट अस टेक पॉल डिरेक.
Yes, ma'am. Paul Dirac is actually the correct answer. Paul Dirac discovered antimatter. Robert J. Oppenheimer was the father of atomic bomb. Richard Feynman is credited for the discovery of quantum electrodynamics and the Feynman diagrams, and Heisenberg. He postulated the Heisenberg uncertainty principle.
क्योंकि this was for life science, तो मेरे को ध्यान है.
Ma'am, we'll have to continue with the next event due to absence of time.
Okay. And what that answer I solved, I will be telling you in geography period. Is it copy? Pattern according to it?
Yes, ma'am. Now the quiz is over, and for some more fun time, I pass on the torch to my friend Aditi.
प्रभु श्री राम कहते हैं, गुरु जो धर्म पालन का ध्यान रखते हैं वे सब पिता समान होते हैं. इस प्रभु श्री राम के कथन के साथ मैं एक कविता प्रस्तुत करना चाहूंगी. माता पिता ने जन्म दिया, गुरु ने सफलता का पथ बताया. ईश्वर तक जाने के लिए ज्ञान, संस्कार और सही चरित्र समझाया. विद्यालय है एक मंदिर, उसके आप सभी हैं देवता. सारी शिक्षा प्राप्त है हमें वहां से, जैसे विषयों से लेकर जीवन में मानवता. आपके लिए जितना कहा जाए है सब कम. धर्म का मार्ग बताया आपने हम सबको, जीवन में कुछ करना सिखाया.
Very nice.
Very nice.
Good luck.
बहुत अच्छा.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Aditi. Aruna ma'am, may I take your leave, please? I have my class in 10C.
I also have, ma'am.
So what to do?
But I want to continue with the
But
you have
5 minutes only. We need to be here only. Yes, Siddharth.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, next event is very quite interesting. Ma'am, will take just a few questions from there. So, Palki and Muskan, please start the next.
Yes.
Now, as we move towards the next event as planned, I would like the teachers to get ready, as we are going to test how much you know about your students and what do you think about them. For this, we will be giving you riddles, and let's see if you will be able to tell who we refer. And also, not only this, you have to give a title to a student whose name you have guessed. For example, the smartest, the funniest, etc.
Hello everyone. So this game is only meant for computers, so please do not get offended. As we did not have any such intention and we did not even try to get something that
I'm not able to hear.
But if by chance
Not audible. Not audible. It's not clear.
now it is audible.
Shall we switch off our mic?
Ma'am, everyone needs to switch off their mics for her to be clear.
I think.
Okay. So hello everyone. This game is only meant for a fun purpose. So please do not get offended, as we did not have any such intention and we did not even try to get something that would offend you. But if by chance there is something, please do it. So here I start. The one kid who attends the classes but does not respond. He plays the piano well but dares not to take part in the class. Got his name in the almost end is a big hint. Who is he?
Ma'am, only teachers have to guess.
Is it Vedant?
Yes, ma'am. Correct.
Yes.
Ma'am, now you give one title to him.
How?
Huh? See, I know about it. Title? What kind of Piano King?
Okay.
The great writer of our class writes in such a way that gives a deep meaning.
No, ma'am,
Let
it's
me
completely
confuse you.
ridiculous.
Let me confuse you between the three, but a hint that her name got relations with the thing we write with. That is the pen. Who is she?
Is it Pragya?
Pragya.
Yes, ma'am.
Pragya.
Pragya.
Thank you, ma'am.
The one with the profile picture, which are of one kind, she's sometimes active and sometimes not. Her name starts with the start of roses. Tell me who she is.
Muskan, again repeat.
Yes, ma'am, sure. The one with the profile picture, which are of one kind, she's sometimes active and sometimes not. Her name starts with the name of the roses. Tell me who she is.
Give one more hint by something else.
Ma'am, she's she's a girl and she has a profile picture which it ma'am it says like sometimes she's active and sometimes not, and her name
Rose?
starts with the start of roses.
Rashmi.
No.
Yes, ma'am, Rashi.
Rashi. Yes.
Rashi. Rose Kapoor.
Both the name and surname have relations with the Hindi word tilak. A nature-loving person under a tree as he. Who is he?
Palki, not audible.
Not clear. Not clear.
Ma'am, may I
Say
repeat
again.
once? Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
Both the name and surname have relations with the Hindi word tika. A
Hello?
nature-loving person under a tree as you see. Who is he?
Nature loving person.
Loving person.
Abhivriddhi.
Ma'am, both the name and surname have relations with tilak, the Hindi word tilak.
Tilak.
Yes, ma'am, and a person standing under a tree as you see.
Akshat.
Akshat. Yes. Akshat.
Yes, ma'am.
मेरे बोला अर्चना वाला अक्षत वर्मा और अक्षत जैस वो सिकारिया both.
And please
Akshat
give a
Tikaria.
title to him.
अक्षत सिकारिया. भैया, whenever I see his profile along with his status profile which is there, he is a snake man, bhai. Every time. Yes, Akshat. Yes. Akshat, Tikaria, where are you? Your status profile is there with me when you were in the village. So he is a snake man. You are the snake man.
Nature lover. Nature lover.
Nature lover.
Nature lover.
Ma'am, I think your voice is breaking.
A person who blends nicely with the new environment, very quick, is smart and active. Who is he?
Muskan, not audible, beta.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I will repeat. A person who blends nicely with the new environment, very quick, is smart and active. Who is he?
Girl or boy?
Ma'am, blends with the new environment.
Pranav Durandar.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, now you have to give one title to him.
A smart boy?
Okay, ma'am.
We are sorry that we could not include all of the students in this game as we were bounded by the limitation of time. Hope you all understand.
Enjoyed a lot.
So, ma'am, just a few more minutes is left. So, ma'am, the remaining ones could also participate. Anshika, please continue with your poem.
Yes. Without teachers, our lives would have no class. we would not learn to be strong and become fragile as a glass. You show us where to look, but you don't tell us what to see. I wondered why this was true, but now I know you want our personal aim to be too. You enlighten our path for us to go ahead, but you don't take our hand and go, as you want us to grow strong and allied. You are precious to us than gold. We must give you love and respect as much as your heart can hold. I know that sometimes you scold, but it is always to make us bold. Thanks to all the teachers and a very happy Guru Purnima to all.
Very beautiful, Anshika. Thank you so much on behalf of all the teachers.
Yes, thank you.
Anya, please end the event.
यस मैम। शिष्य वही है जो सीख ले गुरु का ज्ञान आगाज, भक्ति भाव मन में रखे चलते चले आबाद। गुरु ग्रंथ का सार है, गुरु है प्रभु का नाम, गुरु आध्यात्म की ज्योति है, गुरु है चारों धाम। इन्हीं कुछ पंक्तियों के साथ मैं आन्या चौबे आप सभी से विदा लेना चाहूंगी। आशा है आप सभी गुरुजनों को हम सबका श्रद्धा एवं निष्ठा से किया गया प्रयास पसंद आया होगा। अतः हम सभी छात्र आपके शुभाशीष की अपेक्षा रख आज आपसे विदा लेते हैं एवं आपका मूल्यवान समय हमें देने के लिए आपका आभार प्रकट करते हैं। धन्यवाद।
See, we are overwhelmed. Yes, we the teachers who are present here are overwhelmed by your effort which you have done. Thanks a ton, and we enjoyed a lot.
Thank you, Aruna ma'am, for taking initiative on behalf.
Yes,
Thank
ma'am.
you, Siddharth.
I want that answer. That answer was coffee.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it was coffee. Ma'am, there was even a logic behind it.
Pattern was there, logic.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, you have to notice the vowels in the names, ma'am. Ma'am, the first three names which drank coffee had 2 E's, and the one who drank Pepsi had 1 E.
1 E.
So, ma'am, yes, ma'am. Ma'am, Elizabeth would go with
I
Pepsi.
enjoyed a lot, and then okay, the next continue. We'll do it in the geography period. I'll tell you more thing about it. But I was recalling lion's mane. Somewhere we have gone through this jellyfish in the geography class only. I remember for aquatic 9th geography I have gone through that. Okay, bye. Love you all. Take care. And
Ma'am, actually the thing is, ma'am, we had prepared a lot many questions for the quiz as well as the riddle game which we have played, but we were bounded by the limitations of time, so we could not proceed.
You keep it safe. One day we'll have a fun period.
Okay, ma'am, sure.
Saturday we'll have a fun period and we will do again. Okay.
Anya, your one more concluding line was there, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. I would like to add that we are especially thankful and sorry to Astha Singh Rajput that she could not participate. There was actually some misunderstandings between us. Until the time we resolved it, we had no vacant spot left in the entire event. So we apologize to her.
Okay, nothing happens.
Don't worry, Anya.
We'll have more further chances. We'll have
Okay,
more
don't worry.
You can participate. No problem. Okay, love you all. Take care of yourself.
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, hope you all enjoyed our event, ma'am.
Well, very overwhelmed.
Thank you, students. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye bye. Love you all.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Siddharth, very good. Very good
Thank you, ma'am.
program. Yes, even Bhavna ma'am also messaged no कि she liked our program. You have seen or not, I don't know, but it was
Ma'am,
very
I
good.
was at the presentation.
Yeah. So you just
Yes,
see
ma'am.
what ma'am has seen. Yes.
Yes,
So this
ma'am.
is good for everyone. And if you want to continue the same, so next week we can do this in our class, in our period.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay?
Ma'am, a lot many questions are there.
But in 45 minutes we can't do this all this. No, we couldn't do this.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
we can do one more day. There are many days like 15th of August we can do all these things. Yes. So we enjoyed a
Yes,
lot.
ma'am.
Very much for your effort for all. For all.
Yes,
Yes?
ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Bye everyone.